A game-changer in breast cancer treatment. FDA approves Inluriyo for advanced cases. Imagine a treatment that could significantly slow down the progression of advanced breast cancer, offering renewed hope to patients. That's exactly what Eli Lilly and Company's new medication, Inluriyo, Imlunestrant, aims to do. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. This treatment is specifically designed for a subset of breast cancer patients with a particular genetic mutation. And its approval by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) has sparked both excitement and questions in the medical community. A targeted approach to a complex disease. Breast cancer is a multifaceted disease, and not all cases are created equal. Inluriyo is tailored for adults with estrogen receptor positive, ER+, human epidermal growth factor receptor 2 negative, HER2 negative, and ESR1-mutated advanced or metastatic breast cancer, MBC. This specific genetic profile is found in approximately 50% of patients with ER+, HER2 negative, metastatic breast cancer, and it often leads to treatment resistance. Inluriyo steps in as a much-needed solution, offering a targeted therapy that binds, blocks, and degrades overactive estrogen receptors, which are known to fuel cancer growth in these cases. Clinical trial success, a 38% reduction in risk. The FDA's approval is backed by compelling data from the Phase 3 EMBER-3 trial. In this study, Inluriyo monotherapy demonstrated a remarkable 38% reduction in the risk of disease progression or death compared to standard endocrine therapy. This translates to a median progression-free survival (PFS) of 5.5 months with Inluriyo versus 3.8 months with fulvestrant or exemestane. And this is the part most people miss. The majority of adverse events were low-grade, indicating that Inluriyo is not only effective, but also relatively well-tolerated. Convenience and accessibility. A once-daily oral treatment. One of the most patient-friendly aspects of Inluriyo is its administration. Unlike many cancer treatments that require frequent hospital visits, Inluriyo is taken orally once daily on an empty stomach. This convenience factor cannot be overstated, as it allows patients to manage their treatment from the comfort of their homes, potentially improving their quality of life during a challenging time. Controversy and discussion. Balancing benefits and risks. While Inluriyo's approval is undoubtedly a significant advancement, it's not without its controversies. Boldly, we must address the elephant in the room, the potential risks associated with this treatment. The medication carries a warning for embryo-fetal toxicity, meaning it can cause harm to an unborn baby. This has led to strict guidelines for its use in women of childbearing potential and their male partners. Additionally, serious adverse reactions, though rare, have been reported, including cardiac arrest and acute myocardial infarction. These risks prompt a critical question. How do we balance the life-extending benefits of Inluriyo against its potential dangers? This is a discussion that patients, healthcare providers, and regulators must engage in openly and honestly. Looking ahead, expanding treatment options and ongoing research. Inluriyo's approval is just the beginning. Eli Lilly is already exploring its potential in other settings, including the ongoing Phase 3 EMBER-4 trial for early breast cancer. With approximately 8,000 patients enrolled worldwide, this study aims to determine if Inluriyo can prevent cancer recurrence in high-risk individuals. As we await these results, one thing is clear. Inluriyo has already expanded the metastatic breast cancer treatment landscape, offering eligible patients a new option that combines efficacy, convenience, and hope. Final thoughts. A step forward, but questions remain. Inluriyo's approval is a testament to the power of personalized medicine and the relentless pursuit of better cancer treatments. However, as with any new therapy, questions remain. How will it perform in the long term? Can its side effects be further minimized? And most importantly, how can we ensure that all eligible patients have access to this potentially life-changing treatment? These are the discussions that will shape the future of breast cancer care. What are your thoughts? Do you believe Inluriyo represents a significant leap forward, or are you concerned about its risks and limitations? Share your perspective in the comments below, and let's continue this vital conversation.